Day 3 of building an AI SaaS to 10K a month. So far, we've made $0.
First, we got to get a morning workout in. The last 2 days, we've been focused on building for podcasters, and the idea is to turn podcasts into email newsletters.
Since we're currently stuck and need help badly from an expert, Naz has a game plan for this, so I'm going to send it over to him.
The goal today is to talk to Hamza, an AI engineer and an AI professor.
The first part is make Claude 3, the latest version of Claude.
Basically, what you do is you take a YouTube video, you take the transcription, then what you do is you chunk it up into multiple chunks, 30 minutes, then create summaries on each of those chunks, put that into a vectorized database. ChatGPT can actually create much better content because it's not overwhelmed with all the data.
Since my co-founder Naz and I are going to be moving to the Silicon Valley to build the software, we also asked Hamza about San Francisco.
Live in a box, don't bring your car because your car is going to be broken into and it's going to be stolen. Join events over and over again, get shit done.
So one of those days where we didn't make much progress, but we learned a lot.
If you want to be on this journey with us,
Hit follow for
Day 4.